I'm on my way to my first college class, which is a really dumb class that I don't care about at all. I have English after that, and I'm hanging out with friends. And then I have sight singing at 3. And that's today's day. I'll see you soon. Hello. I went to my first 2 classes, as you saw. And I went to get breakfast with my friends, and now I'm walking back to my dorm. I'm gonna hang out with my friends a little more, and then they're gonna leave at like 2, and then I have a class at 3, and then I'm done for the day. And then I might have someone else coming over, but we don't know. And now I'm walking back to my dorm because I have to park so fucking far away, because my school makes you pay $85 for a fucking parking pass and then gives you no spots to park. But don't worry, all the employees and faculty have plenty of places to park. Just the students, actually just the undergrad students. All the graduate students also have some great parking spots, but whatever. Undergrad students don't matter, even though they're your entire population. Whatever. Like I said, I'm gonna go hang out with my friends, and I will see you later. Maybe in class. I don't know. Bye. Hi. My air conditioner is loud and I'm sorry. But my friends just left for the last time and they're going to Chicago. And I'm not gonna see them for a really long time. And I'm sad. I'm not gonna cry. I don't think I'm gonna cry. I just have the best friends in the whole world. I'm so lucky, and I'm so scared that we're just gonna grow apart, and I'm gonna find new friends and they're gonna find new friends, and we just won't matter to each other anymore. I'm just scared, because I want to be with them for the rest of my life. I want us to be best friends in 80 years in our nursing home, laughing at stupid memes. I love them so much. Yeah. Anyway, I have a class in like an hour, so I guess I'll see you then. I might have someone else coming over tonight, but that's a different story. In conclusion, I'm sad. Okay. Hi, I'm on my way to the last class of the day. I'm about to go up this big hill, so prepare for that. And I'm eating grapes. And this class is sight singing, which I already know how to do, so I hope it's not too boring. But yeah, on my way to the last class, and then I'm done for the day. So that happened, and it happens basically all the time. It's because we're right in the middle of downtown, which makes sense, I guess, but not really. So you're supposed to walk your bikes across the bridges, but whatever. Anyway, can you even hear me? The wind is going. So I'm at my last class, and thank God it wasn't boring as fuck. Because that's just how music classes are. They're better than any other class, so that's why I actually enjoyed it. Except there's this bitch I fucking hate in it I've been dealing with her shit since fucking high school. And I'm not about to deal with her shit anymore because I'm a grown woman. I am in college. I don't need her bullshit, so. There's a lady right there, hold on. Okay, hello. Like I said, I went to my class and it was actually fun. Hi, so, just got back from my sight singing class, and first class today that I've enjoyed, because, oh my god, because it's a music class, and music classes are always much better than, like, academic classes. Gross. I don't even like have any academic classes. I have one composition class, which first of all, yes, it does suck. Anyway, I've been recording for 2 minutes and I've said nothing. All of my arts classes are tomorrow, so I'm excited for that. But other than that, ugh. You guys probably don't even want to see this because it's stupid and boring, but I might have someone else coming over later. He's in class right now. We'll see. You're not gonna see him either, but I'm just letting you know what's going on in my day. Okay, so a kind of weird thing about my college is that there's 2 bathrooms on each floor, and I've shown you the one that I use because it's right across my door, and no one else uses it, which is like a plus for me. So I guess I just always get to have a shower. Hi. It's 9 p.m. My first class tomorrow is at 9 a.m. I need to shower. BRB, he just texted me. She just went in the bathroom, so I'm waiting for her to leave. Look at my tan lines. Look at me. Look at my fat shower caddy. Okay, bye. So that was a whole fucking debacle. So I went into the bathroom that's closest to me, and one of them just smelled like it was burning. So I was like, I'm gonna not go in that one. And then the other one just didn't work. Like, it wouldn't turn on. And then I went to the next one, and there's one that has like a mat outside of it, and it has like a better shower head than the rest of them. And so I went in that one, but I thought it was like a seniors only thing, even though it's communal bathrooms. I was scared like someone was gonna bust in and say, hey, it's not for you, it's for the RA only. And I'd be like, anyway, I'm clean now, is the point. Good night. Hi. I don't want to go to class at all. I don't have any breaks today. I go from 9 to 4 with no breaks at all. I have to go to class in like 15 minutes. Once again, I don't fucking want to. I should probably pack some lunch or something. I need to fix my face a little bit because she's looking rough. I'm still asleep. Okay, I'm walking to my class and I'm a little pissed because it's fucking cold. Yesterday it was like 90 fucking degrees and now it's 60. I want to die. And if this bitch I hate is in this class too, bro. Wish me luck. Okay, hi friends. So I just got out of my 3rd class, which was piano, and not to eat my own ass, but I kind of killed it. I may or may not I might be the best piano player in the class, which is pretty lit. He gave me a like advanced song to play because I know a little bit of piano, not much, but I know a little bit. And a lot of the people in that class are not, they don't have any experience with piano. But now I have to like rush back to my dorm to change because I have ballet today and I'm wearing jean shorts and a strapless bra, and that's not gonna fly. And then I have choral auditions, which I'm very excited for, and I hope I get into the concert choir because I love choir and I need to go by. Okay, so I'm already late for this choral meeting, but I changed into my ballet clothes and my leotard definitely does not fit me, but it's whatever. And I have my ballet shoes in my backpack and I can't get these sunglasses on. And I think I'm gonna ride my bike over there because that is just the fastest way to get there. Bye. Hello, so I auditioned for choir. I did awful, but still did it. Now I have ballet. I'll be right back. Hi. So, you wanna know what I did today? I had class all fucking day, and then do you hear how squeaky my neighbor's door is? I continue to think it's just my door being broken into. It wakes me up at night. Anyway, I had class, and then someone came over, and then when I was walking him out, we saw 17 police cars fucking zooming past, and like they were going on the sidewalks and shit. That was wild. Turns out there's a guy with a gun at Gerbs, so that's what was going on. And then I went to a theater meeting. Now I'm doing homework because God hates me and wants to give me homework on the fucking first day of school, and it's due tomorrow. I have to read 3 essays, which isn't that bad, but like, fuck English. I fucking hate English. Holy shit. Ugh. See you in a bit. I've been doing homework for 2 hours, and it's the second day of school. And I just need a nap. God, it's basically like I'm still in high school, but with more walking. This homework is literally just reading these essays and taking notes. But I'm such a slow reader that it's taken me 2 hours. And I also can't, like, I can't just take notes if there's not a PowerPoint in front of me. I need a PowerPoint to be able to take notes. Ugh. I'm so tired. Hey, and welcome back to Emily Forgets to End All of Her Videos. It's like the next day, and it's like 10 p.m. and I'm doing shitty homework. And I just got my cat. Her carrier's down there. She's under the bed right now. Her name is Pickle. She's beautiful. And she peed on the way here, and I love her so much. And I'll show her to you when she comes out. See you then. There she is. There she is, my little baby girl. Everyone, this is Pickles. I'm very happy to see her. I've been waiting all week for her. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. She peed on herself on the way here, but that's okay. It be like that sometimes. We all be there. And they actually told me she might have trouble eating, but she's eating already, and I'm so proud of her. Look at my daughter. I love her so much. Hi, sweet girl. She's still kind of scared. She doesn't really know what's going on. Which, like, me neither, so. Oh, there she go. Oh. Where you going? You trying to leave? Oh. Girl? And then I never finished the video. It's like a week later. Let me know if you want to see more day in my life college things, or if you want to know anything else about college, because I sure am surviving. Thriving? Not really, but surviving. So, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see ya soon.